Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today, as you can see, we have a tiny, little bitty box of mystery plush to go through. I got this from Greg, Rocky Mountain Resales. He contacted me a few months ago and said, hey, I have a box of plush, do you want it? And I'm like, of course I want it. I never turn down plush. Yeah, I've been super busy. This has been sitting in my house for over a month. With the toys from my toy contact, I've been just doing toys. I haven't really listed any plush at all in the past couple months. I've maybe listed like 50 in the past couple months. And usually I list like 15 a day. So it's been a while since I've done a big plush haul like this. So let's get right into it. My toy guy is getting another haul ready for me, so I have the time right now to get some plush listed. So it is time to do a plush haul. If I don't drop the box trying to cut it open, because it's not cooperating. Ugh, this box fighting with me. Alright, let's just tear it. There we go. Alright. We're free, I think. I just almost broke my light, but we're free. Alright. First one. Oh. Holy cow. Is this the whole box? The first one's as big as I am. Hold on. Holy cow. Look at this guy. Oh man, this is going to be tough to photograph this guy. Look at this. Look at how long he is. I'm guessing he's about a 6 foot tall. His tail's hitting the ground already and it's barely his arms right here at my head. Oh man, this guy's awesome. Who is he from? This is just from Fiesta. That's surprising. I didn't think Fiesta made these great of toys. Look at this. Oh man, I'm gonna ask probably 100 for this guy. I will check the comps. I don't know how many will be listed. A lot of people don't list the big plushes, and I love listing the big plushes. People don't have the space to hold them. I do. But yeah, this guy is sweet. Hopefully I can get 100 for him. We'll see. But let me just get him out of the way. He's way in the way. Alright. Man, that took over a lot of the box. What else do we got? Oh, man. Alright, so we have this guy. Looks like the plush are like individually bagged this time. I don't know what Greg was doing, but hey. This looks like a Squishmallow. It is. This is Lion Squishmallow. He's super squish though. He's got to fluff him up. I don't know his name, but probably looking at a good $30-$40 for him. Hopefully he's one of the originals, so people are actually looking for him. I don't know. Let me pause this and get this box straightened out. Alright, I'm back. I beat the box into submission. I actually cut off the top of it, so much easier to deal with. So I can get into these guys. Alright, man. Some of these plush are heavy. This one is really ridiculously heavy. I don't know what it is, but man, it has some weight to it. This says TV writer on it. Let me get him out of the bag. See what he is. This guy's super heavy. Ooh, a little dusty. See, I don't know what it is. I know it's vintage. You can tell by the face and the way it looks. Anybody run into this guy? Let me know in the comments. I have no idea. I'm guessing I'll probably get like 80 for him. He does have a tear right here. I'm just guessing on the age and everything. But yeah, really cool horse. Let me get him out of the way before he kills me, because That guy hits you in the head and you're going to be knocked out. He is super heavy. Here's another vintage guy. This one looks familiar. I've seen this one before. Don't remember who he is, but it has a rubber face, so maybe Rushton? I'm not sure. I'll have to look him up. But yeah, super old. I don't know. Maybe worth a few hundred on that guy. But when I look him up, I'll find out. Alright, what else do we have? Man, the bags and the boxes are fighting with me today. We have... Oh, this is a nice one. This is a Build-A-Bear gorilla. Look at this guy. Look at his face. He's got a cool looking face. I think this is one of the older Build-A-Bears. Not positive. But, no, he's not older. You can tell by the tag it's not an older version, but really nice version. Hope I can get like $30 for this guy. Maybe more. Let's see when I look up the comps. What else do we have? There's another heavy one in here. Have another bag. Oh, we have a bunch of Loveys. Loveys usually go for about 20 bucks. Oops, too high. My bad. Loveys will usually go for about 20 bucks each. Angel deer. Another one. This is a sheep. This is also from Angel Deer. I don't know that company, but it has a spot right there, so I gotta wash that. Another different. This is a monkey Lovey. This is from Nat and Jules. Pretty good company, so probably looking about $20-$25 for him. I've had this bear before. Not sure of the company. Whatever. Like I said, all Loveys you're looking about 20 bucks. This is it's like a little hedgehog and it has like taggies on it. Is this from the Taggies brand? If I can see. Yeah, it is actually from the Taggies brand. So the Taggies is a very good brand. So probably looking about 25, maybe 30 on that one. This one looks like another one from the Angel. Yeah, another one from the Angel Deer company. So 20 bucks. You got a monkey. It has a rattle. His brains rattle. This is from Baby Starters. And we have a silk elephant from Carter's. Carter's always does very well. I always sell my Carter's from about $22 to $25. Even the brand new ones that you can get still at the store, they still buy them. I don't know why, but I'm not complaining, right? Don't complain when you make money. Now, this one is super heavy again, so I'm going to try to tear the bag and see if I can get into it. He has plastic legs on him, so let's see what we got. Oh, what is this guy? Oh, it's a Big Bird. Alright, we have a Big Bird, and this is a Tycho Big Bird. Tycho Story Magic, to say? Yeah, Big Bird Story Magic. Huh. Battery, door. Never had one of these. Oh, it's like a cassette tape, so not sure if it still works, but whatever. I don't have a cassette to test it. I haven't owned a cassette in, I don't know, feels like a million years. But yeah, it looks like his mouth moves. Yeah, his mouth opens and closes. His eyes move. So yeah, I'll stick some batteries in it and see if I can still get him to work even without the cassette. He might still work without the cassette. But yeah, not sure the price on this guy. I will definitely have to look him up. Hopefully I can get at least $50 to $60 for him. But yeah, I'm going to throw him over there. Don't fall, please. Alright. We got another monster one. Looks like Greg sent me a bunch of monster toys. We have an awesome dragon. There we go. What is he from? Oh, this is from Melissa and Doug. Melissa and Doug do very cool, awesome toys. Not all of them go for a ton of money, but I'm sure this dragon will. I'll probably look for about 80 for this dragon alone. Yeah. Rawr. Yeah, this is a really cool dragon. You can see the wings on it. It has a little boo-boo right there that I will fix with the Eileen's glue that I always use to fix it, but no big deal on this guy. Let's get him out of the way. Oof. I want to start an avalanche over there because I'm throwing all these heavy toys over there. Oh, that is it. Short and sweet video. I didn't realize it was going to be that short because this is a huge box. But yeah, it was mostly consisting of huge toys. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. I gotta go research all these guys. They look really cool. Take care, guys. See you next video. Bye.